Good morning, or should I say, hi guys, it's me here. No, the morning. I'm just trying to do a few of these vloggy videos actually just to get back into doing some videos for you, because lots of you visit the workshop and say, when are you going to do some more videos? So yeah, I'm doing some more of these because they're dead easy to edit for you, and they just give you, maybe you like this style of video. I haven't done this style of video very much, and it's just like a vloggy, this is what's going on in the workshop today type video. So the reason I have grabbed you today is because of this Megane here, which is quite a cool car actually. This is one of those ones I've done in this little long break I've had off from making videos. This is a car that came in as a pure PPF job, so we PPF'd the whole front end of the car. I couldn't tell you how long ago, maybe 3 months, but we have the car, sorry, has done about 4,000 miles since, and crucially it's just come back from a 1,700 mile, I think, trip around Scotland. So this is literally, it came out from Scotland yesterday, it's been dropped down here, this is literally as it's arrived. So this is warts and all dirt, but I thought it would be a good opportunity, because we don't really get the opportunity to do much, to see a car that we've PPF'd that has been out in the world and then come back. You get to see lots of them when they're in the workshop, when I'm showing you them, and it's much easier for those cars to look amazing. So let's go and have a look around this one and see how it looks. So a bit of rubbish while I turn you around and work out how to do that, and then we'll go and see it. So let me just flip that around. Sorry about that, bit of a pain to flip you around. Right, there it is. There's the old 944 in the background there as well. What a beauty. Last day of sun probably today, so we'll see how this goes. So here we go. Nice Megane. I can check for you later how many miles are on this. But what a thing to go for a blast around Scotland in. So you can see really, so this has got front end PPF. So this has got bonnet, wings, grille, front bumper, including that matte bit, and the mirrors are all in XPEL self-healing PPF. So we can just, so I'm just still learning how to drive a gimbal. So you can see, oh, the headlights are covered as well. So let's get in, it's easy for it to look good from this distance. Let's get in close. Let's get in nice and close. So the idea with PPF is, you know, number one, first and foremost, it is a protective skin that takes the battering that your paint would otherwise take. Now what I say, and you'll know if you've had all of this is PPF'd as well, by the way, this black grille, super prone to swirls and stuff, really nice to PPF. Yeah, what you'll know when you pick up a PPF job from me is that, you know, it is a number one, it is a protective skin. That's what it's designed for. That's why we fit it. But we do our utmost to make it look as good as possible. If you look very carefully, you'll always see an edge. You'll always be able to see, like here, there's a very, see how tight I can get you there. I'm not sure if that's going to focus, but a very tight edge in there. And then it tucks under. This bonnet, obviously, you can see there's a little relief cut there on the corner, but it's all underneath. And the idea is, you know, if you go very close, you can see that. But when you come back to the end of the camera is less than 1 meter away there from the vehicle. The idea is from that distance, you can't really tell. This is a bit of an interesting vehicle as well. We had to, so I'm just fighting with the gimbal a little bit here. This of course is satin. So we did satin PPF on here. You can just see there's a little join there. But we did satin PPF on this piece and then over those letters. So that's all covered. This lip spoiler down here is covered. So I'm really pleased with that. Hopefully you guys can, yeah, you'll see that's what we aim for PPF to do. It will pick up some bits and pieces. This has got one small chip on, which is the car doing its job really, and picking up, taking, you know, it's the film taking the damage instead of the paintwork taking the damage, which on a crazy pearly bright colour like this is what you want the PPF to do. So there we go, we're going to get on with this car. It's actually in for, oh, I'll get out of the shadow. This car is actually in for ceramic coating now, so we will be Guion ceramic coating this car. We're all ready for winter. The customer, having come in and seen how good the PPF service is, wants to get it all ceramic coated and protected, ready for the winter. So there you go, I'm going to round out this video here. This is me just getting back into video, so please excuse the unedited sort of no spit and polish of this. I've got my nice microphone and stuff on, so hopefully the sound quality is good for you. But yeah, this is us getting back into videos a little bit, trying to do them as much as possible. We've had a super busy summer, but yeah, trying to get back into doing the videos for you guys. Hope you found this informative. Do a like and subscribe and all that stuff, and hopefully, well, we will definitely look forward to seeing you on the next video. We've got a few banked up ready to edit and upload for you, so keep an eye out for those. Thanks very much, guys. See you again soon.